Hello, in this video we will unbox the Arabicum seeds bought online. So these are the many varieties of Arabicum seeds and it was from a seller who sold through only online only. So you can see these are very well packed in a plastic rectangular box and it was shipped through India Post and let's see, every seeds is of 4 quantity, and this is the black god which was gifted by the seller itself, and this is black hole. It is also 4 quantity only, and now this one is DDC plus MD2, which is also 4 only. This is Kalame F2. Next, this one is Wangsum Bone. This is also 4 only. Now this one is black god, same total 8. Now 4 1 gifted, and this one is black king, which is also 4. So these are quite expensive also, and it was sent in this plastic pouches, and it was very good quality. The reason for being expensive is because these seeds were freshly harvested from his own garden, not from any other sources. That's why. And this is the pot which I used to sow all the seeds. And you can see this is a pot which is in big size, and I also marked them. So I soaked the seeds for 2 hours before um, sowing them, and you can use this circular pot also. So you can see cocoa peat is already there, and below it there is soil media. If you want, I can tell you in another video like what is the soil media. So, and I also marked with the marker so to know which one is from which cultivator variety, and you don't get confused. And I didn't have that ruler at that time. That's why I use a straight stick to make the line little bit straight. So in the C column, this is black god, and it is of 8 quantity, and less place in the vertical way. So I don't know about you. So always place the adenium seeds in only vertical way, like shown in the video, cause you don't know from which side the root will be there and the stem will be there. So that's why, and it will be also easier to them to to emerge from the this seed this soil. So that's why always plays in vertical way. So also I want to add something here that I did some preparation before sowing these seeds. So what I did, I placed lot of stones in the bottom of this pot, and then the soil media. After that, this cocoa peat, and after that, I put a lot of water uh, till the it's become so much wet. After that, I left this pot for full 1 day, so that all the excess water drained out from the bottom of the pot. So that's the thing you can also do, so that it will be easier to have a lot of moisture content in this media, and due to which the germination will be very good. Now this is the in the B I had put Calame F2 seeds, which is of 4 quantity. These seeds are expensive because this is not from any other country. This is from an online seller which is in our country itself, and these seeds are from his garden only. Now this one is very special Wang Sum Boon, and it is, I think it was the most second most expensive, I think, and it will be very beautiful when it will grow. So he has lot of seeds, lot of cultivators. Uh, so that's why I had chosen only six type only, and I had chosen from his uh, lot of the lot of images he provided of the mother plant. So that's why uh, it also give you confidence after check seeing the mother plant images that most sellers don't do that commonly in India, right? Now this one is uh, what was that? I forgot it. I think hmm, this is black hole, I guess. Yes, this is black hole in the A column. So one, two, three, four. Yeah, this one is also four, and we will place it very gently. And after this, I will also add another layer of cocoa peat above it. Not much, only 2 to 4 above. This is DDC plus MD2. I think this was the most expensive one from the whole batch, and it is a combination of two DDC plus MD2, and I forgot the full form of these both two. Okay, now this one we will add it in this. Which row is column is this? I guess it's actually the naming is not in symmetrical way due to some issues that day I mixed it up. So it is E DDC plus MD2 in E column. Okay, now we will. So only one left now. So this is the black hole one. So black hole is also one of my favorite one. So when according to the picture, when it will grow up, the branch and the stem of that plant will look so beautiful. That's why I had selected it. So we will put in the column A. So now it's, you can see it's fully completed. Now you can see so total 28 quantity I had purchased from him. Now we will add a very thin layer of cocoa peat, and that cocoa peat was not wet. It was just very dry. So that's why I also wanted to clarify it so that you don't what um, add water in that also. So make little bit of placement of the seeds in the correct way, and you can see actually I'm adding this little bit here and there because some seeds have lot of space and the middle one has little bit of space, so that's why I'm placing it little bit before that, so it will be easier to grow when they become little bit older because it is very deep pot, so I will transfer them separately, I think in next year, I guess. So this is the coco pit. You can see it's dry only, so we will not add very much. We will just um, just cover the seeds so that it make dark for them. Cause one time what happened, I placed lot of coco pit and the germination rate was very less also. And one time what happened, the coco pit was so wet that not a single seed was germinated. So so that's the thing, you learn from your mistakes only, right? So that's why this time I had made some little bit of new things in this seed germination. So you can see, so the amount of coco pit that I wanted to add, it's now completed. Now we will use sprayer to spray on this above layer so it become little bit moist, so moisture helps to germinate it. So we will fully moisten the whole above layer of the coco peat, so it is become very good for the seeds also. And seed is already soaked, and this will also help in creating little bit of humidity in the pot. Also, we will add transparent plastic layer above the pot so that it create little bit of humidity, and also the moisture doesn't quickly evaporate. So that's why. And also we will make little bit of hole in that so that if condensation is more in the in that what plastic, it evaporates also, and it don't um, seeds rot, right? So you can see, thirdly I am spraying all over the pot so that it the moisture is same in all area, and it makes the pot also very good wet. Now I also want now I also want to say that I had tracked all the dates about when it will germinate and all. When did it got first that two leaves, when it will get four leaves, I will update also. I can't add everything in the same video also. So just subscribe to this channel if you want to see the journey of these seeds, how they will behave in future also. So see, this is the day 4. You can see little bit of the systems coming out. The seeds are now this is day 6. You can see lot of seeds germinated. One long one was that was another. Day 9 you can see lot of germinated. Lot of have day 11 all the started germinating, and wow, looking so nice. So actually 26 out of 28 is germinated, and you can see the growth is starting. Two leaves also there in some plants. Thank you to